Yes, for ye to our license no intrechire mu no nti wo hwe photo ye da ho ya license biometric license no na chi enie mpacho license no old one no be that so system nim but we na make am wasem ne biometric one no nti se bia wo use old one ne bia wo achi na nye se na tie but omam use foforo ne bi no se na mre na chi tie nti mbeto mbo ma trechire mu na ma wahu class bia ne car ebetimi atwi ne ne intimi ntwi ye hwe ahana ya chemutre your class description and category. So your class A, B, C, D, E, F. Enti ye share class A na a special license and a class E. E no and also a special license. But class B, C, D and a F no so no a car. By no na e be kire car kon between the twin car kon untimi ntwi. Enti ye fa A na E no etwi motorcycle and tricycles. Inti say bia wonim ka etwi kra ba wonim motor twi a emra ne say motor na wutwi na say abobo ya na wutwi na say prag ya na wutwi no e wo so wutimi nya eho license eno no ko DVL a o kwa kwaje license class A street na da kutwi tricycle na say o motorcycle na say o prag ya no eno ye A. Now ye ba B na B no nso etwi cars, cross country, mini buses and a pickup. Na eno na yama range ubitimi passengers do a ukra bi na ubitimi afa. Aha say no emra no eye mienu front and back. One, so obi at the 18 years yes ubitimi akoje license. Okwa e best start free B. But o share aha na o say up to 5,000 kilograms. Next a car now the between no emudro no. But in case of yempese enye ni dru emudro ne de e calculate there ye the passengers do a car ne befa e ne be calculate. O hwe ase ho anwatro 1 to 15 passengers. Meaning say ukra bi na e qualify so befa 1 to 15 passengers. But emra ne say undi 18 years are onye commercial untimi drive commercial vehicle. Mostly commercial vehicles no it me for 1 to 15 passengers. Inti front and back nim ni achire. So we the 18 year wait me age license the three private car be wo fee. But so person the commercial there undi 25 untimi emfa biwe entry sa 15 passengers no. But the license qualifies you. By your age disqualifies you. You have to understand these two principles. So when the 25 although lines ne kura ni trade say wait you up to 15 passengers, but your law ne say only 25 untimi into commercial. Indeed, if there is a car wait 15 passengers are any commercial there and not there in some way wait me defend it. So let's move on to class C. Untimi currently as at ene 3rd December no. Untimi nko DVL so koji C straight. Adisa udi kanji B. Hunu se medican ka se E no a special license. Ubetimi akoji ni straight. G no so a special license ubetimi akoji ni straight. But C no untimi nko so me per license C straight. Adisa waji B no e use no for a minimum of 2 years. Was already 25 years and some what me upgrade that could see just because see no nipa dodo etwi no and also ye the three buses and medium goods carrying vehicles and ohwe passengers number of passengers na 1 to 45 bus ben na private etwi 1 to 45 1 to 45 dodo na commercial and yes say undi 25 so untimi ntwi commercial. Inti I was say to ebuni etnia enti ase ni ye me will be medi 25 and above no me use be ni 2 years met me akọ DVL tama 2 years na so no met me akọ DVL se me pe sisi am be se mo de me ko si but medi 18 years maji bi no the following 2 years me or 20 years mint me nkoji si because me age na permit me munya this particular point ni ye na fe yenko D D nso wontimi nkɔ DVL straight so kɔgye D asat December 2021 yi. Se mmara no sesan da achen a yɛbɛyɛ ho video de akyerɛkyerɛm. But currently no mmara no kan na yɛ kyerɛkyerɛm. Enti ne obetumi akɔgye D nso yɛ ne ɔwɔ C a ɔno nso we use C no for minimum of 2 years. No nso etumi akɔ apply for D. Nti wo hwɛ D nso etwi buses, coaches, heavy goods vehicles. And also the number of passengers near 1 to 65. Monfa and also enka ho. Now for ye by ye na me say a special license no. Ye a special license because and only the tree agricultural and earth moving equipment, industrial equipment. It is a grade and bulldozer near the adeno. It is a minimum car tree kwana minimum grade tree. Meet me a jump A B C D no makoji ye straight because ye a special license. Mpacho yenti ye ho ase ewa ha. Na afei ye free yi na yenko F. F nso eye obi a owo D na we isu D no for a minimum of 2 years. Ti he you. Enye obi owo yi ena obetime jump akọ F o. Obi owo D na obi bekasa de na owo D no one pager anko yi ena me say yi no a special license. In this unim excavator ne forklift ne grader ne tria ufri D a unko yi obekọ F straight. Yenya aha no ente ase ni yi obekọ F straight. Now yen kasa about senior ye be merge license no ye be me kasa ye merge license na so obi wo ho a onim moto twi onim car nso twi obi wo ho onim car twi onim forklift nso twi den obetimi aye na wanya saa moto ene car no ene forklift ni license no emramu no untimi enkura license mienu separate ti say bia o me license motor license ni na me car license nso ni yen separate ma na emum ni ebetimi aka bom na ni na aba card ba koso nti opese utwi moto ene car obetimi akọ DVL office me pese me G license for moto ene car nti eno ne be ma A B na say A B no o de A no for moto no B no for car no. Now say in case say 2 years time o pese o peja weight no B no weight ndi ko si a uko si a A no be ka si ni ho na ye AC 2 years time o pese o peja car no weight no ndi ko D a eno so sa A no be ka D no ho na ye AD sa na okọ F nso a A no be ka F no na ye AF nti eno ye how to merge 2 classes. Na yenhwe how to merge 3 classes. Ebia obi wo ho a onim moto twi onim car twi osanso nim ebia excavator operator na say forklift operator eno no kwa a oboka kwaje A B E inti ni obaji A B E inti license na obaji no ono kwa class miensa ena ebe kan boso ama no inti no ye license A B E na say sa license ba ko pe no se otwi moto na police busa na the same license be man na A na qualify no otwi car na police esia no busa na the same license be man na B na ewom na qualify no otwi excavator na say forklift na say ye busa no so a the same license be man na G na ewom no a qualify no. But I hope so obia eti we ase nti we beka say okay se me G A B G no na fi du be na mbese me peja car no weight ne kotwi car kese a eno no so beko A C G na sa special license A ni G no eda so ka o card ne ho nti yen hwe ne ntia is a merging of license we na se na be ya obu ho a o say me obi me o car license a meet me the moto untimi mfentwi moto even if ukra F cramp a untimi mfentwi moto ena ukra F nso untimi mfentwi excavator any grader any tractor ne sa other way no inti sisia no we no classes of license no ho asem ene ye ka me pa cho se okwa akwaje class ba ko pa sika obetua no lower than oje class menu abom ena oje class miensa nso abom a sika obetua no higher than oje menu abom yenti ase sa na yento aso afei oba ase ha ye wo after F no ase ho no ye wo first renewal eno ye 2 years from dana ye de o temporary license no ne mo friend cover note ne friend temporary license 2 years from dana de temporary license ne share won sa no obekwa ko renew sa card we ti emfa ne say o process o license this year ene ye de temporary license no ema o ene a 2 years from ene no cover note ne de ma o no valid from that point now to another 2 years into bu ha e ma no temporary license in December ne bia card no ebeba e bia February next year menye wadwen say February ho no e na nya card no into 2 years time ni count free February no e count free December yi na ye de temporary no amount no inti aya won hwe date na wo ho no 2 years ne so abekọ na DVL no ayo eye test na ye de shiny sticker bi atale ho amount nti yo eye test na woni ye correct na utua the necessary amount na nye test on bibi kaka no de uko renew dia and said anya compulsory set testing officer na obesan de wakotena ka mu atwi but eye test in the compulsory on the other way round odru on so na samo fele say am pesa mo test o bibi foforo bia am every right to test you aside the eye ebi awo ba no ye hwewa ka bia odi wura mu a odi baaye no style bia odi twi ye no ye hwa akwai ase ne driving no ne refi no kakra ebetimi ama answer test o enti after first renewal no o hwe license right corner ho ase on so your second renewal and also another 2 years from dana obey your first renewal no DVL ni yes anema we se ne be 2 years bia no driver no beba na ya testing ani ne ehu se nani ye correct a obetimi akoso ade a driver afi yemra mfimfin ha sei ye wo driving restriction na we na ya na mpempi nkrofo bebre ewo sa restriction we wo mo license na chi a amonte ase uhu na ye de circle na tum na interpretation ya drop automatic vehicles only ena oba se ona ye de spectacle symbol bi ato ho interpretation ya draw drives with the aid of spectacles sa symbols menu we no se ebia da okwakoje license no ye wo eye test no na o che spectacle o de spectacle ena ye wo eye test na sa na o pass ya e be pese o de spectacle na be twa picture aba license ne so na say DVL na ji atum say you always drive with a spectacle. Say police issue now photo na wo so no na she spectacle but sa da na dia won she spectacle a obetimi achew a offense. The same way spectacle symbol no se your license na enim na picture na DVL twa no say o drive with the aid of spectacle the spectacle symbol no ba beto o picture na pampem just to tell the police say sanipa we he must always drive with a spectacle. Say o license na nim ho no picture na ho no symbol we enda wa pampem ho ba bia na say you will not drive with the aid of spectacle. E bia say wa na wa show shade bi awie bi na de drive there different. But say bi da ho there you must always drive with spectacle now de koye eye test no. Ena no so wo ho a okọ for driving test no or the automatic vehicle ena ne driving test. Inti no so no say the we ebeto picture na e driving license na nim no na pampem ho a na say obe drive automatic vehicles only yente sa restrictions we ase inti we ne de ebi wo bia license na chi but say mpie o picture na pampem a picture na e license na nim no mpie na pampem ho ba bia either left or right na say o sa restriction we no it does not affect you sa nyoma we ena e pese obia etiase concerning o driver's license kai hunu say license no je 2 years bia wo be renew na emom no o renew a 3 mienu ni wi a 2 years time na o license na expire na o so de code DVL na ye replace license na ma o kope ambetwa picture foforo ambejo fingerprint to bibia foforo na asan so printed license no foforo ma eno no ye je card we ya ye be san printed temporary license amount no akọ use kakra na later wasan be je card no ade say we apply for prestige service inti ye be video ni atchechre mu prestige service no so any premium service any standard service no Nti for now there we any ade a yɛpɛ sɛ ohu concerning on license yɛdi kan describe anim deɛ na ma wawie afei ne describe akyire deɛ no so wo question bia busa na afei nso no wo pɛ sɛ join yɛn WhatsApp group na ɛkwan da hɔ 0542635 109. Thank you very much.